What's up, people? We right back at it. So we got the SR20, just got dropped off a few days ago. So it's time to open sesame. And so what? Right now, I took the valve cover off, and Jesus, it smelled like straight fuel. So that is not good. I hate that. I really do, because that's no good, man. When the tune is something crazy or whatever, or I don't even know, but when your oil really starts to smell like fucking kerosene or fuel, there's something wrong with your tune, man. You can put together the fucking baddest of the baddest parts and the top of the line parts, but when it all comes down to it, if the tune is not right and the cylinders aren't hitting like they supposed to, it's just gonna be bad news. It doesn't matter whether you on pump gas or E85. E85 actually accelerates the issue to a degree. So maybe I will teach you guys how to read plugs, because I guarantee you I'll take these plugs out of here and they're gonna be black and carboned up. And you can tell that just by also too looking at the exhaust port itself. Of course the port's going to be dirty, or not dirty, but soot. It's gonna be sooty, just as a byproduct, but it's a certain characteristic of the soot that really shows a overly rich mixture. And then what it looks like, that's just gasket. But yeah, so and with the way the SR really works its oil, you gotta have top quality at all time. Even when you're running it hard and you're running it hard, you gotta really stay on top of the oil itself and the quality of it, because once it gets diluted and contaminated with the fuel, it's no longer oil. It loses its lubricity, as they like to call it. So you can tell this bad boy has some leaks somewhere up top, probably a valve cover blowing down, because the block looks good. Ain't nothing else over here except the oil filter housing, and it's kind of grimy too. But so yeah, we're gonna crack this thing open and see what's up. But yeah, it's gonna be the top tune, man. Fuck, another one bites the dust, but we gonna make it back, bring it back better, clean it up. That's the one thing I can't stand, is no greasy, grimy ass fucking motor, man. Even when it's in the car. And anybody that knows me, they know I'm a huge advocate of, man, just keep that shit clean. It don't cost you nothing. And you can always be better than the rest, even on that note. So with that said, I'm out of here. Later.